In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use indicators in TradingView. TradingView is a fantastic platform for traders and investors because it provides a powerful suite of tools to analyze the markets effectively. Utilizing indicators is a key part of technical analysis, helping you make informed decisions. Today, we'll walk through the process of adding indicators to your TradingView charts. This is a simple yet essential skill, whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader looking to refine your strategy. To get started, you'll want to have your TradingView chart open. Take a moment to ensure that your chart is displaying the asset you're interested in analyzing. Once that's done, let's move to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Indicators. Clicking this will open a comprehensive library of indicators provided by TradingView. A helpful shortcut for this step is by simply pressing the / key on your keyboard, as this will bring up the same menu, allowing you quick access. Now, with the Indicators menu open, it's time to decide which indicator you want to add. TradingView offers a wide range of options, from simple moving averages to more complex calculations like the Relative Strength Index, often abbreviated as RSI, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, known as MACD, Exponential Moving Averages, or EMA, and the popular Bollinger Bands. Each of these indicators has its strengths and applications, so it's beneficial to understand your specific trading needs when choosing. To add an indicator, you can simply use the search bar at the top of the indicator dialog box. Type in the name of the indicator you're interested in. For instance, if you're focused on momentum, you might search for RSI. If you're aiming to identify trends, searching for EMA could be more appropriate. As you start typing, TradingView will autocomplete or suggest matches, making it easier to find the exact tool you're looking for. Once you see the indicator you want in the search results, simply click on it. This action will immediately add the selected indicator below your asset's price chart. It's worth pointing out that these indicators are customizable. Once added, most allow you to adjust parameters to better suit your analysis. For example, with EMA, you can select different periods to see how short or long-term trends are developing. Take advantage of these options to tailor your indicators for optimal insight. This process of adding indicators not only enhances your technical analysis, but also helps you make more nuanced and informed trading decisions. With multiple indicators, try to identify signals that corroborate each other, as this strategy can often point you toward more successful trades. As you navigate TradingView and experiment with different indicators,